I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by locking in your archetype and checking your current attribute caps so you don't waste VC. Next, earn the currency and training items. Play quick games, complete daily and weekly challenges, and target cap breaker rewards. Once done, spend a session in practice or my court to convert activity into training points faster. This boosts attributes incrementally. Make sure to pause and review the attribute screen after each session so you know which caps need breaking first. Now you allocate training points and VC to push attributes up to their present cap, focusing on primary skills first so gains matter in game. When an attribute hits the visible cap, redeem a cap breaker or equivalent item to unlock the next tier. The game requires those items to remove the hard ceiling. While leveling, equip temporary boosts and badges that raise attribute effectiveness so you get better results and faster progression in actual games. This combined strategy saves VC and finish by spending remaining points to round out your build and prioritize skills that complement your playstyle. Then play targeted game modes and drills to solidify gains into usable ratings and unlock any remaining badges that affect attributes. If you hit a snag, check your cap breaker inventory and confirm the item matches the attribute. Also make sure the game is fully updated and restart if progress doesn't register. One quick restart often forces a sync and resolves most stuck cap issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.